Do you get this outer knee pain when you sit and stand or while walking? Then this might be related to your IT band and the FTL muscle. So hello everyone, this is Aditi and we are on episode 2 of Needful Solutions. So first let's stretch the outer hip along with the IT band here. So consider this as your affected leg. This is the first exercise that we are doing. Take the other leg in the cross like this and one hand on the waist. You're going to push out towards the side of the affected leg, right? And then you will take the arm of the side of affected leg up and you're going to feel some stretch here at the outer hip and at the glute as well. You're going to hold here for 15 to 20 seconds in one go and then relax. For the second one, we are going to take a non-looping resistance band and put it at our foot. Considering this as your affected leg, then you're going to pull it towards you and take it to the opposite side. Now this upper side of the band, you can also use a dupatta for this. You have to pull it more towards you. Don't take it very much closer to the ground. We have to keep it up only at around 60-degree angle from the ground. Why? Because then only you will be able to feel the stretch at the IT band and the glute. But if you take it more down, the stretch will start coming on the back. That we don't want. So we want here. So keep it around 60-degree angle and pull the upper side of the dupatta or the band. There are high chances that the outer knee pain, if it is going towards the upside, yes, it is because of IT band FTL, but it's also because of the VMO muscle. So for strengthening that, you can have a folded towel under your knee, press it down with the back side of the knee. This will also help in strengthening your popliteal muscle, preventing the Baker cyst in future. Press it down, hold for a while, then relax. Quick bonus tip for you: before sleeping every night, just open up this outer side, have some oil in your hand, rub it and open up this area, the IT band region till here, and lower part also if you are feeling the pain is radiating towards the downside. You can also put it slightly at the outer back side of the knee because here is your popliteal muscle as well. Comment down your painful area of the knee and I'll see you in episode 3 tomorrow.